Hey, welcome back. We wanted to do another review of what's going on this week. Quint, I put out a quick piece last night, but there's a lot going on in the market. It's kind of the out of left field that comes in, even though we've been ignoring some of the craziness that's going on with government shutdowns, what's going on with tariffs, what's going on with China. But this news coming out of regional banks and some of the credit regions of the market, talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, well, I thought you did a great job in that piece. Very timely and fantastic job with that. You know, markets are resilient and have been very, very resilient over the last several weeks, despite some of the headwinds that you've talked about. And you articulated it exceptionally well. When markets know what they're facing, they can adjust because investors trust the CEOs, the executives to manage through the challenges, whether it's government shutdown, whether it's tariffs and trade, persistent inflation, whatever it might be. And so investors can take those things in stride when they're known. Mm-hmm. Now, my concern has been regarding the government shutdown, for instance. In my opinion, we're already well beyond what anyone thought we would be. I thought we would be here, quite honestly.
17 days in now.
I feel like I was the only one, but the market hasn't cared. That's really fascinating to me because at some point, in my opinion, the market should care, right? Because it can become a problem. And as I've mentioned many times, and I just don't understand this, no one is talking about the fact that come January 1, we once again will have to deal with a debt ceiling.
Right.
If you remember, that has been sort of handled. We've not had a debt ceiling that went back to 2023 during budget negotiations again to be revisited January 1st of 2026. Mm-hmm. And by all accounts, we're already well over the debt ceiling that we had, which we will revert back to. The point being is we're going to be right back here, in my opinion. But the new challenge that we're facing is this unknown regarding some bad loans in certain regional banks. Now, this could be real simple, or this could be a problem, and we don't know. And when you don't know, the market and investors will tend to overreact. And we saw that a little bit yesterday. We saw it definitely in regional banks across the board.
That's right.
Some of the majors were down considerably and have been down all week. But we don't know yet if this is systemic, if this is spread throughout. So it's a wait and see. Now, candidly, I love how we're positioned, and I love how you summarized the piece yesterday, because we've been in this cautious position for a while now. We're still participating with the markets, which is great. And so we kind of feel like we're in the driver's seat, because if government shutdown, tariffs and trade with China, and or credit issues within, loans within the regional bank starts to seep into the market, we should see a significant pullback, allowing us to revisit and possibly put some money to work. We'll see. Right. So it's kind of a wait and see game. I'll be honest, I am a little concerned that there's more to this than we know yet. And so it's going to take some time.
Yeah, and the market today is a little bit back and forth. When you and I were looking at it at 5 a.m. this morning, it was obviously down significantly. It's rallied. It's about flat when we're cutting this.
That's right. Well, European banks were down considerably. There's concerns in Europe with a lot of government shuffling going on and so forth. So it just seems to be there's more and more concerns that are bubbling up. And again, the market's taking it in stride for now. We shouldn't freak out. And that it doesn't mean we go, let's sell everything. No. Just be prepared. This is me saying, put the seatbelt on, right? We got some bumps coming up probably. That's all part of the game. We'll manage through it. And we will look to take advantage of it. Make no mistake. Everybody loves the old adage, buy low, sell high, until we come to you and say, we're buying. And I remember in April when we did that, and people were like, we're doing what? And it obviously worked out. It was a great decision.
That's exactly right. So we'll keep waiting and watching. We'll keep you updated as much as we can as new news develops. We'll talk to you again soon.